Ninots exhibition for 2025, Fallas 2025 for the first time. And this I'm going to break down in sections for a change. So we're going to start from the lower, if you like, to the best. So I'll do it in a series of videos as opposed to normally where I just do it all in one. So enjoy. This is section section 8A. By the way, for anybody that doesn't know, we're going from the bottom up. So if you've seen the previous two videos, you should notice a difference. It's how they're classed. That's a good one. Emotional vampire. Yeah. People robbing the old. That's good. Oh, that's good. I like this. For some reason we always have Charlie Chaplin every single year, as far back as I can remember coming here. Always Charlie Chaplin here. Although I don't think the face is supposed to be Charlie. What's our chorus on? Something else to do with, I'm pretty sure that's a heart covered in mud. Save our town. See, yeah, so it's something else to do with that, don't it? I wanted to try and do a separate video just for all the Ninots. That's what I really like. Yeah, sorry, I wanted to do a video on its own just of the Ninots devoted to the Dana. Probably a good impression, to be honest. Hey. There we go, it's a pile of wood. Ah, there you go, again, damage from the Dana. Cat seeking refuge. The rubbish, the mud. There. There we go. That's quite cool. It's my kind of girl, that one.